Okay. So yesterday we have done the pre-steps and taking the backup. So these activities are completed as part of the system refresh activity, right? As part of the refresh activity. So we have done the pre-steps we have done it. Then what we have done is like backup we have taken. Now what we have to do, we have to stop the so the target system ECD. Then using the HANA Studio. If it is the HANA Studio, Oracle using the BR tools. It is the SQL Server Studio. So we have to use it so far. So doing the restore activity. Okay. So if it is HANA Studio, connect to the system DB. We have to connect to the system DB. Then we have to do the restore. Okay. Then we have to do the backup restore activity. So we have to perform it, right? So that is what we are doing the restore activity. Then to do the restore activity. Then once the restore is done, then post refresh activities we have to do it here, right? So let's stop the ECD now. Okay. So before that, we have to post the message before itself well in advance. We have to inform to the all the persons saying that we are doing the restore. So don't log in to the system. They won't log in, but they are aware of. So okay, restore is happening, something like that, right? So anyone posted the message here? No, no one posted the message. So there is no use posting the message now. Yesterday, I asked the group to post the message, right? In SM2, SM02, we have to post the message, right? So I think no one is done. Okay. What I will do, I will stop the system now. I'm stopping the system now. ECD is on the lowest version, right? ECP is on the highest version as we discussed yesterday. Just stop the ECD. Why? Because while restoring on, so database will be restarted. So then stop the system. So system is getting stopped here. You can see here, system is getting stopped here. Done. Okay. So system is stopped now. So that once the system is stopped, then we have to open the console. So if it is suppose like example, if it is the HANA, then open the HANA, right click on the system DB, okay, backup and recover the tenant database. Recover the tenant database, we have to use it here. Okay. So then recovery wizard will come. Then select that button. Okay. Then here we need to use the specific data backup. Why? Because we have taken the backup from, your development system, sorry, production system. So that is the specific data backup, right? If it is the same data backup, we can use the point in time or most recent state. But here we are using the specific data backup, which is means so specific data backup folder we have to give it here. We have to give in the system here. That is what we have to do it in the system here. So let's check whether this backups is available here or not, right? This backup is available or not. Here we can check. So nothing is there here. Nothing is there in the media player here. So let's go back. Let's go back. So where it is available here. So while recovering, so DB will be stopped, so it will check. Normally we have to give the specific data backup. Normally we took the backup of the file system, right? Otherwise back int, so catalog it will search. So then it will give the response. Okay, we have the backup available. Okay, slash media, the backup is available. So then next, then click on the finish. So that will be so restored. Same if you see in the HANA Studio. So I am opened the HANA Studio also. Let's go to the HANA Studio. Okay. So ECD, we are going to restore with the ECD, right? Select the ECD, go to the task, then restore, right? Restore the database here. This time I'm trying to restore it here, right? So in the backup set selected to be restored. So here we have to database restore ECP source ECP destination ECD, right? So this is the one. So we have the full DB backup yesterday. So we have taken, right? So we have taken. So it's taking now. So then click on this button. See here now it is getting progressed. Now it is progressing. The restore is getting progressing now. So let's wait. When was the last backup taken? So yesterday. Yesterday 27th we have taken the backup. That backup is getting so so is getting restored. The backup is getting restored, but the restore got failed here. The restore got failed here. The reason so restore failed because database is in the use. Okay, so because of the so database already in use is not updated because database is in use. So let's try to see are there any process are up or not. So I think it's everything is down. Okay, database everything is down. So we'll bring down the database offline. Take offline. Okay, database offline now. So let's try to so initiate once again. Go to the task, restore database. Okay, so which database source is the ECP, right? But target is the this one. So it is checking backup sets to be restored. Okay, so we got the ECD backup here, ECP. So just click on the OK button. Now let's see. Now database is offline. So no connections are no connections now. So we are using the backup and restore method. So same either the studio you have the same. So here also you have the same actually. So because it's already in use, exclusive access could not be obtained. So database is already in use. Already taken offline. Let me check, are there any process here? Okay, we have the SQL Server process is there. SQL Server. Okay, let me stop. ECD service also will stop. Okay, done. Restart. So recover. Okay, backup and recover. So we have to use this way to recover the our tenant database and everything here. So again, it got failed because the database in use. Wait, we already stopped, right? Database. What does it mean in use? Want to stop all? This one also. If I stop this one, your P also will be stopped. So let me normally so it's not required, but let me check why. Okay, so it is down. Let me stop the service also here. So this is a SQL process. I'm going to stop dependency. Yes. Now all we stop now. Okay, nothing is active in the database level. Okay, everything is stopped here. Let's close. This one won't connect. Why? Because we have bring down the services, right? So it won't connect now. Let's start the SQL process. So cannot connect. So why? Because here we stopped the services here. Okay, this is started. Agent started. Okay. So we started the SQL process and all these things we started. So let's try now. Let's try now. Why? Because restore database. So DCP. Yes. Okay. Full DB backup. Okay. The tail of login to the TCP has not been backed up. Backlog log recovery to the log. You see some progress is happening now. So we have selected the options, files and options we have selected. So something is happening, but we can review the logs here. We go, we go to the files here. So program files, SQL Server. So not here, not here. This program files, SQL Server, SQL Server, SQL Server. So logs, error.log file. This is the log file for the database here. This is the log file. So still it is progressing. So something is happening. So here each and every log will be tracked here, right? So starting the database marked, so does not allow to the recovery. Starting marked offline in does not allow the recovery to be run. So database is marked offline. So it means database marked offline. Can we make it online? We will make it online. Bring up the set of online is completed. Alter database field because log could not be replaced. Okay, but let's see here if this fails. Let's see why, because you can see here starting the database ECD. ECD is marked offline. It is in the state but does not allow the recovery to be run. Does not allow to be recovery to be run. Starting the database. Okay, recovery is completed. Is an additional message. No user action required. Okay, so let's wait for few minutes. So it will show the some error messages, right? So let's wait. So it's same, it kind of same anything. We can do the similar kind of restore. We can perform it here. Similar kind of restore. So we can perform the HANA DB as well. So recovery, taking the backup and moving the backup files to the here. If it is the back INT, so it is available in the back INT also. So that specific data backup we can recover it. So if we have the backup location is available. So if it is the backup location is available, so we can recover the specific data backup or back INT location, we can recover it. Same like last time backup and restore we discussed, right? Similar restore and backup and restore during the refresh time we will use it, or so any any issues within the same system we will use it here. So right, you can see here. So backup files are there here. Here backup files are there here. So here VSR SAP backup files are there, right? And also slash media backup files are there here. Slash media backup files are there here. VSR SAP. So here all the backup files are there here. So let me check whether the backup files are exist or not here. Only catalog is exist here. Okay. So then here HDB backup folder. HDB the backup folder. Here we need to check. I think here we have the DB. Nothing is there here. No backups exist. Catalog it is exist, but here nothing is exist. In this case, production we have to take the backup and we have to check that one. We have to check that part. Yeah, but still some progress is happening here. Some progress is happening here. You can see the logs. We will see the logs again. 6:30, 6 minutes back, it is updated. So yeah, yeah, I think it's the same log. 6 minutes back also it's the same log. It is updated. At least percentage it should show, right? It's not showing even percentage also.
Upside is there 10%.
Where?
Upside 10%.
Oh, where it is there? Oh, okay. 10 percentage. Oh, then it's restoring then. Yeah, it is restoring. And normally it should show here, right? It is showing here in small window.
Yeah, yeah.
What you did, Marvin? Marmik.
Yes, sir.
No, what you did here.
I did nothing. I just
Done till now, so that everybody aware of here. So this is the sequence of activities we are doing the restore activities. So using the any studio, either the SQL Server Studio or Ana Studio, we need to restore it. Once the restore is done, we have to perform the post refresh activities we have to perform. So since yesterday we have done the backups and free steps. Today we stopped the target system, right? And using the HANA Studio, we did the recovery. Or same way we have used the HANA SQL Server Studio. So for the restoring activity, now restore is running here. Once this is done, we need to perform the post restore activity, post refresh, post restore activity. So that is the very important activities. Post restore activities are very important activities are the post restore. So why? Because so pre nothing we are just only taking the screenshots, EME, everything. So post restore activities are very important. So those we have to perform carefully. Carefully we have to perform it. Okay. So let's wait for restore to be completed. Once the restore is completed, 50% completed. Once the restore is completed, what we can do? So we can just perform the post refresh activities. Okay. Can perform the post refresh activities. We can perform it here. Okay, that type. So I will let you know so that so we can maybe tomorrow we can all perform the post refresh activities one by one, and also we can validate it after the restore how it is the CCD system. So same as like it should come to same as like production, same production jobs, same production users, all should be come from the production, right? So let's verify after the restore completed. Okay.